Okay, welcome back. This is part 2 of lesson 7.6. Now I want you to, in the last page we did a transformation, specifically a translation. So now I want you to try one yourself. So here are the points that you're going to use, P, Q, R, to design an image. And then you're going to translate it in this way, -1, 3. So pause the video and then try that on your own. Okay, now that you've unpaused and you've come back, so we can definitely do these different points. So we can see the first one is going to be at 1, -3. So we would go to 1, and then 1 to -3. So that is our P value. And then Q is 3, 1, 1, 2, or I'm sorry, 3, -1. 2, 3, down to -1. That's going to be Q. And then R is 4, -3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to be our R. And so this is our image. And then if we want, now we want to translate it -1, 3, so that means each thing moves in those directions. So that means P is going to go over -1, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is our new P apostrophe. Q over 1, up 3. It's our new Q value. And then R over 1, up 3. Over 1. 1, 2, 3. And there is our new image. Okay? All right. Next thing we want to try out is we want to do a reflection. So it says reflect the given figure with the given vertices across the given line. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to draw this line. So P, Q, R, S is a line. So let's map that out first. So P is -2, 1, 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is point P. And then Q is 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that is Q. And then R is -1 and 0. So our value, and then S is -4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And that is our S. And so now we could connect these lines. So we've got, again, this is all one line. Okay, P, Q, R, S. All right. And now we want to reflect this around a line. And notice what it says here. It says across y equals -x. So essentially what that means is we're going to be reversing all of these things. So from now on, y is going to equal any -x value, and therefore the x's will equal the y values, or the opposites of those. So for example, position P here was at -2, 3. So now the new position would be, so for sub P is going to be -3, because y is going to equal -x and 2. So that's going to be our new p-value. So we would go 1, 2, 3, but then up 2, 1, 2. And so this is our new p-value. Okay, and then Q is going to be the same thing. So 4, 3 is going to become -3, -4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is our Q value. Okay, so we can see that difference. And so we can see now that this line is going to go this way. So we're reflecting in a different direction now compared to what we had here. The new R is going to become 0 and 1. So we go 0 up 1. So that's our new R, and we're going to connect that. I should probably use a different color for this, but that's okay. And then the new S is going to be -1, 4. So we get -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the new S, and so the question is, like, what line are we actually reflecting this over? We can see that the line that we're reflecting over would be a line that cuts these two images down the middle. And so that's the line that we're actually translating this line over. Okay? Okay, so now it's your turn. Let's try this on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and then bring it back to this, this when you're done. Okay, so now that you've unpaused the video, and this time I do have a different color, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to use this first line here, or image actually. So we've got A, which is at -3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is position A. And then position B is at 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's position B. And then position C is at 3, 1, 2, 3, -1. There's position C. And then what we're going to do is we are going to connect these. Nice triangle there. And what this wants us to do now is it wants us to reflect this across the y-axis. So you have to think, what does that mean? Well, that means taking this image and flipping it from this side over to this side of the y-axis. So we can just sort of reverse everything. We know that this one was at -3, 3. Well, now we're just going over the y, so now it's going to be at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's 3 up here. That's going to be there. And then the B value is going to go over here. And then the C is going to come to the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And there's our new C. And then we can connect these into a new triangle that is a reflection over that y-axis. Okay? All right, when we come back to the next video, we will work on rotations and then some finishing things.